Hello and welcome to SaasPricing Table. Today we are going to learn how can we create pricing tables in our WordPress website. So I have already installed Elementor and SaasPricing, and I have edit a page with Elementor. Here it is. So these are the pricing tables. Uh, SaasPricing provides these pricing tables here. Okay, so let's get started with comparison table. This is a comparison table. This is the preview of comparison table. So here in header, there is table title, table description, and tags, columns, table columns, 1, 2, 3, and alignment. So this is column 1, first head here. This is the column 1. If we can change column title, column description, and add also ribbon from here, and off also countdown, and all add countdown. Okay, so in image we can increase our image width from here, and this image provide by default lightbox, so you can turn off your lightbox from here. Okay, here is pricing. You can add currency symbol from here. You can add price, currency format, sale, like this, and period. And you can add reviews, and this is column 2, and this is column 3. These are the same as column 1. So let's go to the features. Here is features. So we can add unlimited features from here. We can add feature tooltip. Okay, we can position our tooltips, and we can add tooltip description from here, and we can add also tooltip alignment. And here is CTA. This is CTA buttons. We can turn on our primary button, already turn on for every columns. So let's turn on secondary button for column 1. Okay, so it's turned on. We can positioning our buttons. Okay, let's position primary button to the top. Okay, yeah, it's working great. Let's back to the default preview, and we can also positioning our secondary button also. Here it is. Okay, so let's turn off secondary button. Right now I don't need that. Okay, you can also add CTA alignments. Haha. And let's go to style tab. Here you can add table paddings and table title here. Okay, and there is a problem. Features, let's make it, sorry, not this one, let's make it left align. Okay, so here is table. You can add table style from here, table title, here it is. You can add color. Okay, you can also add typography, distance between table title and description. And here is table description style property, and here table border. You can add border for your table. Click on here, click on here. Okay, it looks amazing. You can add also border for your table. And let's go to the heading. Here is heading. So let's increase the distance of heading. You can add also heading typography from here. Okay, also a typography for description, and you can add individually heading title from here, and also you can add hover for it. Okay, so add heading 1 title color, and also set that for hover. Okay, it's working, right? Okay, let's go to, here is the property of head here. All property arts belongs to headings. We can see here you can add also border radius for heading, border type, and also can border type, heading paddings, etc, etc. uh, let's go to pricing. uh, Here we can add pricing column 1 color, pricing color, period color, let's make it green, and also you can add background color for your pricing. The same thing for column 2 and column 3, and you can increase and decrease your currency symbol from here, and you can positioning that currency symbol also. Okay, that's cool. And you can position the currency symbol, and there is fractional part, original price, that that we didn't enable yet, so we will know lots of about this pricing table in future videos. Today is the introduction video of our all pricing table. We are going to describe all pricing tables. So there is original price. If you enable that from here, from here, that should be that. Now you can add color for your uh, original price. Okay, and you can increase your original price typography, vertical position, and we also we also saw the features here, the tooltip. We can add also tooltip style from here, tooltip size, tooltip color, and we can add features, this area, features color, features typography, background color, and we also seen the review element here. You can also style that review element from here. Okay, also we also have seen the ribbon earlier, and we have CTA. We have also seen CTA here. You can add that from, you can add CTA style from here. Okay, so that's for comparison table. Okay, let's remove that and scroll to the bottom, and you can also search the pricing table from here. Let's start vertical table. Okay, here it is. This is our vertical pricing tables. So let's decrease its width. Okay, so you can also add pricing table icon from here. I have add random icon, picked random icon, and you can also add pricing table title, description, HTML tags. You can also add ribbon and header alignment from here. And here is body. In body part, we can also see currency symbol, price, currency format. We can add our currency format, change. Hey, here we can switch our currency format. We can add also sale, like previous table. We can also add period. We can also add countdown, like rating, and body alignment. And here is also features. So the interesting part of this feature is we can add individual icon color for each list. Okay, so we can also add, make it green. Okay, so this is cool, right? And we can add also features alignment, and here is CTA button, and by default primary button is enabled. You can also enable secondary button, and you can also positioning that as CTA. Let's go to the style tab. In header, you can add style for your icon size, icon spacing, and also icon color, background color, padding, title color. From here, title color, also title typography, distance between title and description, also description color, description typography. Here we can add ribbon style that also we also seen earlier. You can add pricing style from here that are similar as our previous pricing table called comparison table. uh, Here is countdown. You can also add countdown style from here. And here is review style section. We can enable reviews, countdown, uh, also from here. So here is review section. You can add also style for your review, and for features this, and also for CTA, I mean buttons, primary buttons and secondary buttons. Okay, let's go to the horizontal pricing table. Let's make it longer. Okay, search for horizontal pricing table. Horizontal pricing table. Okay, so this is our horizontal pricing table. You can also add title, description, heading tags for your title, and also add alignment for title and description, and also add and remove your divider. Here is also you can add features, and you can show them in various columns like 1, 2, or 3, 4. Let's click on 3. Okay, this is how it's changing. You can also add alignment for your features. You can add feature titles, feature icon color individually. Here is CTA. In CTA part, we can see there is you can also, this is the interesting feature, reverse column. You can reverse your pricing table. You can enable, you can choose your currency, you can add price, you can add currency format, you can enable sale, you can enable ribbon like this. You can also add countdown, and you can also add rating. And here is button. We can here is also here is we can see primary button and secondary button. By default secondary button is turned off, primary button is enabled. So you can add icon for your primary button, and also change the level of our button, and increase our button size like here. Okay, so it looks cool, right? We can also add alignment for our button. And let's go to style tab. We can add title here. We can add a title style from here, like okay. We can add title typography and distance between description and title, and add description color and typography for description. You can also add paddings, add divider styles. Here it is, add feature style. These are feature styles, and CTA. And here is the CTA part. You can add slogan color typography, ribbon color typography. You can add style for each elements that we provided in our pricing table. And let's go to pricing section. You can add your pricing style from pricing section. You can add your countdown style from countdown section, and review from you can add a review style from review section. Here is buttons, primary buttons, and also secondary buttons. But by default, secondary button is turned off, primary button is enabled. Okay, so you can add a button background color, hover color. So let's look into it. Background color, let's make it white. Okay, let's add hover color and make it also white. Okay, let's select this color. Okay, it looks great. So you can add also your button style from buttons section. So that's all for today. In the next video, we are going to learn brief about our plugins, our widgets. So that's it.